Hey guys, welcome to Tech Power of Mind. My name is Mohit Vashne, and in this video, I have come up with two hiring update, and one is direct test hiring opportunity, and second is off-campus hiring. But before that, just a reminder: today I post Genser hiring, and it's a mass hiring update. If you have not checked out Genser, Superset, and Volvo hiring, do check out. First one is the video. Now to discuss in detail about the first hiring update, which is coming from Turing Company, and it's a direct test hiring opportunity. Means whoever will eligible will get a chance for exam. Exam will be virtual, and currently company hiring for data scientist and analyst role. It's a kind of skill based hiring. So if you have relevant skills, you can apply for this hiring. But before that, just check out the qualification. So company has mentioned if you have done bachelor degree or master degree, then you are eligible for this hiring. And for this hiring, Python is compulsory. So if you have a knowledge about Python, then this hiring is for you. Otherwise, you can skip this hiring. Second thing is it's completely remote job. So if you're okay with the remote job, you can apply for this hiring. And company has already mentioned your working model. You can check out in offer detail. Like you have to work at least 4 hours per day and minimum 20 hours per week. And apart from this, it's a contractual job. So if you're okay with that, you can apply for this hiring. And it's only 1 month contractual. So if you're interested, just click on apply now option, complete your application. And for this hiring, you have to face 2 rounds. Company has already mentioned first round will be a 60-minute technical round plus 15-minute culture round. The next will be offer discussion. So if you're interested, just click on apply now option, complete your application. Then after that, you will get attempt exam option. And if you face any difficulty while filling a form, do let me know in comment section. I will definitely help you. So this is your first hiring update. Move to the second hiring update, which is coming for EY company. So EY company currently hiring for testing role, and it's an off-campus hiring. Company has already mentioned it's an off-campus hiring. Talking about the qualification for this role, so company has mentioned if you have done BE Tech, then you are eligible for this hiring, and you have at least 60% marks in your BE Tech, not in your 10th or 12th, but only BE Tech. If you have 60% marks with no active backlog, then you are eligible for this hiring. And apart from this, you must have understanding of any one of the programming language. It may be Java, Python, or .NET, and basic knowledge of database, for example, SQL, Oracle, or Teradata. Then it will be added advantage for you. So if you have this knowledge, then you can apply for this hiring. And company has not mentioned any passing batch. So if you already passed like 23 batch, 24 batch, 25 batch, or 26 batch, then you are eligible for this hiring. Just click on apply now option, complete your application, and if you get shortlisted, then you will receive further round update on your mail only regarding exam and interview. So do not miss this hiring. EY is a big four company. Maybe you get a job in EY company for this particular role. So that's all for this video. I hope this video helped you. And do not forget to check out the Chancellor company hiring. Thank you and goodbye.